Good morning student. I Purnima welcome you to my class of English, and today I am going to do a new lesson which we have already done, and I am going to revise you once more, and that is determiner. As you can see, it is written on the board. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is a determiner. Okay, so determiners are the word used before noun to determine or modify them. What are determiners? Determiners are the words used before noun to determine or modify them. Now children, there are 8 type of determiners are there. So first of all, I think I would which all should write the definition of determiner. Determiners are the words used before noun. Used before nouns to determine or modify them. To determine or modify them. So determiners are the words used before nouns to determine or modify them. So this is the general meaning of determiner. Now I will be telling you kinds of determiner. So determiners are 8 types of determiners are there. So there are 8 types of determiners. I will just write their name. So first is articles. I think you must have heard about articles, definite and indefinite. There are 2 types of articles are there. One is definite and the other is indefinite. Okay. So 8 type of articles are there. One is definite and others is indefinite. So now one thing you have to do, student, you have to write individually. Also I will be telling you. So right now you write only kinds of articles. So here you can write A, N and D. Okay. And second is demonstrative. Demonstrative is this, these, that, okay, those. And third is possessive. Possessives. Ordinals. Fourth is ordinals. 5 is cardinals. Okay, fourth is ordinals and then cardinals. Then quantifiers. Then children, sixth one is quantifiers or quantities. Then seventh is distributive determiner. interrogative determiner. Alright, so there are 8 types of determiners are there. One is article, AND, demonstrative, possessive, ordinal cardinals, quantifiers or quantities, 7th is distributive, and 8th is interrogative. Okay, so now student, one by one I will explain you all the types of determiners. One by one I will be explaining you all the types of determiners. Okay, so first of all, so I think this 8 type of determiners are clear to you. So once again I revise, determiners are the word used before nouns to determine or modify them. Then 8 type of determiners are there: article, then demonstrative determiners are there, then possessive is there, ordinals, cardinals, quantifiers, distributives, interrogatives. So these are all the important types of determiners. So I will be explaining you now about articles. Now children, there are 2 types of articles are there. This is the first type of determiners, articles. One is indefinite and the other is definite. Okay, so indefinite is A and definite is D. Okay, so you can see articles are of 2 types. One is indefinite article, the other is definite article. And in indefinite article, children, what will be there? In indefinite article, a and an. And I will be telling you the uses of a and. And definite article is the. Now children, this the is pronounced as the when it is used with vowels. This the is pronounced with the when it is used with vowels. Okay. So, kind of determiners. Now, articles A and D. So, first of all, I will be telling you the uses of A. Uses of the article A. Okay. Now, generally, children, let me tell you, we know there are 26 letters are there in English. Okay, there are 26 alphabets are there, and A, E, I, O, U, these 5s are vowels. Why I am telling children? Because vowels play a major role. Okay, because if I will tell you where we use article A and A or an, so children, here vowels play a major role. Alright, so children, my dear children, I am going to tell you the use of A, and before that I have told you 5 vowels are there: A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels are there. Okay, and children, because now when I will tell you, you will see how vowels, the sound of the vowels play are related with the articles A and N. How vowels and their sounds are related with the articles A and N. So now first thing I will be telling you about the uses of article N. And this I have already told you. Article, children, 2 types of article are there. A and will come under the indefinite. Definite article is what? The. Okay, so this you have to write it. Okay, you can write it here clearly. We can write it. Here it is indefinite. So here it is indefinite. A and N. And here this is definite. The. Okay, so now I will be telling you about the indefinite article N-I-D-E, and this is N. So I will be telling you about the indefinite article, that is where to use A and N. Okay, So children, I am going to use, okay, I will be telling you article, the uses of A. Okay, so first use, second use, third use. Now children, first of all, when the constant letter is there, when the letter is constant, okay, like B, C, D, F, okay, these are constant letter. So when A is used, when the sound is following it is a constant sound, then we use A. So children, generally we use A with the consonant letter. So A is used with the consonant letter. For example, A girl, A book, okay, A meal, A parrot, etc. So A is used when we have constant letter. Okay. Now an is used when the sound following it in a vowel sound. Now children, A is also used. A is also used when the letter is starting with constant, but it is having the sound of the. It is starting. It is a constant letter, but it is starting with the. It is having a, children, constant sound of the constant letter. Okay. Then A is used with consonant single, A is used with consonant single sound. Countable singular noun. Countable singular, countable. E is used with countable singular noun. Okay, like a fan, a ink, a lion, a book, which can be counted, it should be singular. So A is also used with countable singular noun. Okay, so these are some of the children uses of A. Then children, we also use A when the thing, when like a useful thing. Okay, like you can say a useful thing. Here in this sentences, children, A is used with this sign, useful. Okay, the pronunciation here is U. Okay, so when some of the letters are there, okay, they are having though they are starting with the vowel, but their sound is useful. Like in useful, the U is a vowel, so according to the rule we have to use A here, but The pronunciation is Y-O-O. You can see the pronunciation Y-O-O. Alright. So here you can see the pronunciation is Y-O-O. Alright. And there are many words, okay, like a European, a useful thing. So these are some of the words where do we use a. Now I will be telling you where we use an. So articles, the uses of an. Okay, so an is used with vowels. Like example, an elephant, an orange, an import, an apple, etc. So an is used with the vowels, okay, and an is used with uncountable noun, okay, an is used with uncountable noun. So an is used with, second use of an is used with and is used with uncountable noun. Okay, and is used with uncountable noun. Now, like so children, an is used with no, and the second uses of an is used with the words which have vowel sound. For example, an honest man. Now children, read this thing. Okay, honest, we never read honest, though it is starting with a constant letter, but then also we are not using here what? We are not using here, children, we are not using here this pronunciation. H is pronounced very silently and we are using here vowel sound. We are not pronouncing is honest, we are pronouncing it honest. What we are pronouncing it? We are pronouncing it honest. Okay, so here children, you can see when the sound, when the word is starting with a constant word is there, constant letters are there, and it is you can see students that it is, we are pronouncing it. How we are pronouncing it? We are pronouncing it, okay, we are not pronouncing it honest, we are pronouncing it honest. So this one is pronounced. H is not pronounced. H is silent here. We never say he is a honest man. We say he is an honest man. He is an honest man. So you can see children, the word here is pronounced with the vowel sound. That's why we are using an before this word. Okay, the other word is an MLA, member of legislative assembly. So the pronunciation is not M, the pronunciation is N. It is not this one. So an MLA, an MLA. Since the pronunciation is starting with A, that is a vowel sound, so we are writing an before MLA. I hope this is clear now. Okay, so here children we have learned children the difference between how to use A and how to use N. So A is used with constant letters, and with the words children, though they are starting with vowel, but they are having constant letter sound. And similar children vice versa, N is used with vowel, but there are some letters like MLA, honest, though they are starting with a constant letter, but they are pronounced as a sound. They are having vowel sound. That's why we are using here. What we are using? We are using here N. Okay, we are using here N. All right. So N is children, N here is used. N is not used, A or N is not used when there is a countable singular nouns like uncountable nouns. They do not take A or N, like milk, sugar, iron. So these are uncountable nouns and we don't put A or N before it. Okay, so this is there. Now children, I will be telling you about the uses of the uses of the definite article the. A and we have done. So now uses of the indefinite article. Okay, uses of the indefinite article. Okay, so what are the uses of indefinite article? The uses of indefinite article is the first it is used in the beginning, it is used first, it is used before noun, afterward in the sentence. So children, the first use of article the I have written on the board. Children, as you can see, children, whenever noun will come for the first time, we will use the article a or an, and then afterward the will be used. Afterward, the will be used. Okay, so like you can see one example I have written here. He lives in a house. Now children, house is a noun, and determinants I told you it is always used before noun only. So this is the noun house, and we are using, since it is there in the sentence or in a paragraph or in a stanza when this house is there for the first time. So we write a in the beginning, and when it is used afterward, then we can use the indefinite article the. Similarly, she is reading a book. Okay, she is reading a book. Children, after that you can see the book is very interesting. So children, she is reading a book. Okay, A is there. She is reading a book. The book is very interesting. Okay, she is reading a book. The book is very interesting. So you can see with the book A, when it comes for the first time we are using A, and when it is coming afterward the book, then we are using the. So in this manner, children, this is the first uses of the indefinite article when we use, children, if in a sentence or in anything, if we use the a noun for the first time, we will use the article a or an, but later on it will be the will be used. So now the second example, second uses of the article the. Now one thing let me tell you, children, the when used with noun, it is pronounced as the. It is pronounced as the. Okay, so now second example. Children, when we use particular class or group, when we use particular class or group, okay, then children, the is used. Okay, like the dog is a faithful animal. So here we are referring a particular class. Okay, and what is that class? The class is of a dog. Or the rose smell sweet. We are representing a particular class of flower, and what is that? That is rose. So we are using the with the rose because it is a particular class of flower. Now children, with the name of the, which is the things which is very unique, okay, and is only, children, is very unique in the whole universe, okay, very special, and like children, the stars, the sun, the moon, the earth. So these are very unique things are there. So with the unique things, children, we use the earth, the sun, the stars, the moon. Then children, we use the with the name of the newspaper. Okay, whether it is a local newspaper or whether it is a national level newspaper or an international newspaper, we always use the before the newspaper. Okay, like children, what to say, like we can say, children, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, or the local newspaper, the Jagnik Jagran, the Hindustan. So children, with the name of the newspaper, we write the name of the newspaper. Then with the name of a religious book. Okay, with the name of the religious book, like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita. Okay, so with such type of name also we can use the. Okay, and then children, the with the name of the races and communities. Okay, with the name of races and communities. Okay, with the name of races and communities, like the blacks, the Mughal, the African, the Australian, the Indians, the Pakistani, the Bangladeshi, the Canadians. Okay, so with this, children, we have to do a lot of things in determiner. Determiner is a very it will not complete in 1 or 2 days. It will take time. So since the time is over, I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.